I would like to welcome Mr. Özdemir to talk about some use cases of the Beckhoff technology. Hi, welcome.
Thank you.
So, can you tell me the name of your company and the industries you serve in?
Yeah, as you said, my name is Mustafa Özdemir, and I am working as a software engineer at Lazerisse in Turkey. First of all, I want to thank you to Beko for this invitation. It's a great pleasure for us to be here. My company has been serving to in the laser industry over than 20 years. Also, in the past years, we started to serve in USA and Germany location. We provide laser solution to the many sectors like automotive and defense industry or metal sheet processing, like that.
Yeah, that's really interesting, very wide industries.
Yeah.
So, and you using Beckhoff technology?
Yeah.
What kind of technology are you using?
Also, we are doing to a custom design machine. We are using the many components in our machine. For example, you need any cutting machine, we can control the CNC Beckhoff technology. If you want safety module, it's in automotive sector, we can use the safety modules. For example, we are doing two special HMI from the C#, so we are using the IPC system in Beckhoff. So I can say that we can maybe all components in the Beckhoff.
Okay, well, great. Thank you so much.
Thank you.